Welcome to Storytime. In December 2019, a woman named Paris connects with an attorney, let's call her LF, through a social media group for Dr. Craig Childress, a psychologist specializing in childhood attachment trauma. Paris shared her story, and LF agreed to represent her in Paris's case. Paris' disabled daughter had been kidnapped by her father. LF first filed a notice of appearance and a motion to set aside judgment in January 2020 with a favorable ruling in June 2020. However, she did not follow through on a promised motion to modify custody. Paris faced issues with communication and transparency, receiving only a few documents and lacking access to the case docket. LF featured Paris's case on LF's nonprofit website to raise legal funds, though the amount collected is unclear. LF requested her evidence and suggested contacting CPS but failed to provide a promise letter. Affirming Paris's equal rights to her daughter's medical records and decision-making needed for a complaint against Dr. Jerry Cartzenell. Paris experienced scheduling inconsistencies, being repeatedly added and removed from the court calendar. In October 2020, LF's paralegal, S. Vieira, berated her regarding unpaid legal fees despite Paris's upfront disclosure of financial hardship. After emailing LF about S. Vieira's behavior, LF withdrew from Paris's case, citing irreconcilable differences and claiming Paris mistreated her staff. At the withdrawal hearing before Judge Robert Grobe, Paris was not allowed to fully read her statement about the trauma to her daughter. The judge granted LF's withdrawal, refused to confirm the hearing was recorded, and he said he would deny any motion for transcription or continuance if Paris secured new counsel. This left Paris unrepresented, fearing further loss of custody due to the court's actions or inactions, an abuse of power and medical kidnapping of her daughter. Paris's daughter was declared a ward of the state in November of 2020. Paris' case was mysteriously moved to a new county. Paris continues to fight for her daughter today. To learn about Paris and her story, please visit the link in the description. This is one of many stories that follow LF. Her bar complaints are littered with similar stories. Friends don't let friends get fleeced. Choose your grifters carefully. It's interesting what some people consider a warrior.